Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Octopus Hip Bumps. So obviously you need to be able to do an octopus already, and the clip's already up. So if you don't know it, head off, check out our channel. It's a beginner move, so it's nice and easy to find. And all we're going to do is switch it up a bit so it looks like this. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if you've already learned hip bumps as well, that will make your life really easy, but we'll break it down, and probably in some respects this is even easier than the standard hip bumps. So we go semicircle, offering the hand, step back, ready for an octopus, which means I'm assuming you've already set yourselves up ready to bring the lady into a return direction movement. So what we do is we start lady towards us, the left hand is going up, but instead of going up as far as it would normally do in an octopus, we're going to keep it low and all the way through, so the lady turns left, guys turn right. We're going to bump the hips and bounce back out, and then we do the octopus pass. So this time the hand goes higher, we slide the hand, two hands the other side. Now we're ready to go guy in front, but this time the lead hand goes low, and again we go bump before we go back, then the guys do their pass. Third time same as the first, bump and out, except this time we're not going to bother picking up the hand, we're just going to do the travelling return, which is the lady's pass at the end. So timing wise, how does it go? Well, it's back 1, bump 2, back 3, pass 4, catch 5, bump 6, back 7, pass 8, catch 1, bump 2, back 3, pass 4 and back 5. So let's do it to a count. Here we go. 5, 6, octopus hip bumps. We go a back, bump, back, slide, catch, bump, back, pass, catch, bump, back, over the top and stop. And that is it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.